What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making grilled chicken glazed with Old Bay hot sauce. Now, if y'all want something good, this it right here. Man. But before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified each and every time we upload. I appreciate y'all. The channel has been growing, man, and it's all due to y'all, man. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this chicken. Got a little lime in there with some water. Go ahead and rinse it out a few times. Now this is a whole chicken. It's cut up in pieces, and we're just gonna clean off the excess fat and excess skin. We're gonna leave the skin on. I want the skin on for this. Okay. We're just gonna give it a good wash, nice rinse. Now let's go ahead and clean the chicken. Now while we cleaning the chicken, don't forget to go check out our Instagram page where you can discover more flavors. We have different recipes. We have a lot of things we haven't uploaded to YouTube. So go and give it a try. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Drop me a follow. Again, we're just going to clean off the excess skin that we don't want, the additional fat that we don't want. I love that the thighs still have that little portion of the back meat on there. Got our wings, and we're done. Let's go to add them right back into a bowl. We're gonna season these guys up. We got our Everglazed chicken seasoning. All right, this stuff is amazing. Of course, we're hitting it with our Lowry seasoning salt. And we're gonna give it a nice amount of Old Bay hot sauce. All right, and once we mix this up, we're gonna let this sit for just a little bit so all the flavors can come together. Let's give it a good mix. Get it underneath the skin. Get it in all the crevices. We need Old Bay hot sauce and seasoning in every daggone inch of this chicken. So we've been heating our grill up. Got our grill up to temp. All right. And we're going to add the chicken right in there. Now I have my charcoals divided. Okay. And the cool zone is in the middle. So what I like to do, I like to throw them on the sides first. Get some nice color on there. Get them cooking. Look at that. So they've been in there for a good little minute. Got that Fogo Choco doing his thing. All right. Already got some color on there. While that's cooking, while that's smoking up, we're gonna go ahead and melt our butter and throw some hot sauce, some more Old Bay hot sauce in there. This Old Bay hot sauce is fire, bro. This stuff is delicious. This stuff is delicious. I'm upset that it says for a limited time, but it is what it is. I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. We're gonna give that a good mix. And this is gonna be that final glaze that we add on the end to the finished chicken. Look at that. So all that flavor's been cooked into the chicken. Now we got it in the middle in the cold zone so it can smoke. And we're gonna hit it right with that Old Bay seasoning and that butter. Man, this is what you want right here. Now I've had just regular Old Bay hot wings, and these right here, the regular Old Bay hot wings don't stand a chance, man. They don't stand a chance. The flavor is amazing. All right, it's hot but not too hot. The added flavor of the butter Man, it's just dope. Look at what we working with, y'all. Now we're gonna go ahead and plate up, man. They done. Now this is some of the best chicken that I've grilled thus far. As far as flavor. And it remained juicy. That's what it's all about. Make sure that you cook your chicken to the internal temp of 165 degrees. And there you have it, family. Grilled chicken glazed with Old Bay hot sauce. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for checking out Discover Flavor. I'll catch y'all next time, family. Peace.